Welcome to Computer Code. Today I will show you how to install XAMPP on your PC. Open your web browser. Go to Google and search XAMPP. Then open first link that show. Click on Windows button. Downloading will automatically start it. Then we wait for downloading. Downloading done, open it. Right click and run as administrator. Then click on yes. Please wait. It will take some time. Click OK. Next, 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 next. Cross it. Then next. Wait for installation. It will take some time, don't worry. Hello. Just wait a little bit more. Finish it. You see XAMPP server panel. You see it's work properly. Allow permission. Thanks for watching.